Hi artists! A few quick notes before we begin our project today. We are continuing to practice drawing from observation, anatomical observations a la Leonardo da Vinci. So if you'll notice, your skeleton arms now have a small brown circle underneath the hand. The circle is there to help you fill your page with your artwork. Step number 1 today, you're going to first draw that circle. Don't worry about the arm bones or the hand bones yet. Just draw the circle. Now, it's not going to be a perfect circle because if you can tell, my circle from my point of view, from my perspective, it's not a perfect circle. It's more of a squished ellipse. So I'm going to do my best observation, my best observing, and I'm going to carefully, quickly, slowly, I said quickly and slowly, that's not right. We're going to carefully draw that brown shape that we see, not a perfect circle. Again, I do want you to focus on making it a contour line. After you have your circle, notice how I can't call it a circle, let's call it an ellipse. Now I've drawn my ellipse and I have drawn it fairly large. Do you notice how it is mostly filling up my paper? It's also not smack dab in the middle of my paper. I decided to put a little off to the left. You can put it in the center, you can put it to the right. However you see it, I want you to draw it. Now, after you have drawn your brown ellipse, cylinder, oval, it's not a cylinder, Miss Manning, what are you saying? After you have drawn your circle, your oval, your ellipse, after you have drawn that, now you can focus on drawing the hand bones. Again, contour lines. Now, what I want you to do is figure out where are your hand bones in relation to this oval that you have drawn. Now, I'm going to start with my wrist bones. My wrist bones don't start in the middle of my circle. No, if you'll notice my wrist bones, they're right over here on the edge of the oval. So I'm going to go to the edge, and that's where I'm going to start drawing my wrist bones. I'm going to just look and observe, slowly drawing those contour lines. Looking back occasionally for my lines to make sure they're kind of in the right spot on my paper. Carefully, slowly doing our contours. Again, this takes a lot of focus and control, but boys and girls, it is a skill that needs to be practiced, because with this contour line drawing practice, you will make great improvements in your artwork. Carefully, slowly drawing the lines that you see, not the lines you think you see. Draw the lines you see. No imagination today. We're trying to draw from real life. All right, boys and girls, do your best.